Alright, so I've got these Icon ratchets here. This one is actually a Pittsburgh, but I have these Icon ratchets. They're all 1/4 inch. Somebody in a Facebook group that I'm in, they posted that you could convert these to 3/8 drive. So I wanted to test that out. I went on to TEKTON's website, and they sell these kits for their small body 3/8 drive ratchet. So these are the 3/8. Let's open one up. These are 3/8 internal that are supposed to fit into a small body. Now, what I'm interested to see is if you can see in this with these two ratchets here. These are both 1/4 inch, but see how this is more of a like a figure 8 almost shape, whereas this one is just more of a pear shape. It's smooth. So I don't know if these mechanisms are going to be the same. So we're going to open them up and we'll take a look. So this kit comes with your like some super lube, which is what I stick in all my ratchets anyway. It actually comes with a bit to take the ratchet apart. I don't know if this, let's see if I can get that to focus, if this bit will actually fit these, but we're about to find that out. Then it comes with all your parts and pieces that you should need to convert it. So now this is not meant to be a conversion kit, this is meant to be a rebuild kit. But let's try this flex head 1/4 inch first. Let's see if it works, let's see if this fits. And it, sure enough, this bit does fit. Let me get a tool. All right. So I have heard that these people are reporting that these are coming dry. This one did come with a little bit of grease in it, just if you're wondering about Icon ratchets. So this particular ratchet is it's a floating, looks like a floating single pawl ratchet. So let's open up our kit. What did we lose? So from what it looks like, take that out. Now I did not plan on changing the rest of this. I was gonna, let's see if this will even fit if I change nothing else. And it sure does. Oh yeah, so this is gonna work. But what I do want to change, being I bought this kit, because one of my complaints with these Icon ratchets, okay, so you can't change that. That's kind of a bummer. I was hoping you could, because if you could tell, if I can put them where you can see them, the TEKTON one is a lot narrower, but that's fine. We're still ending up with a smaller ratchet. And with our pawl in, we can put this back in. And with that in, I will put a little bit of this grease. Actually, I'm going to save this grease at home. So I have my own super lube. You can get this from Harbor Freight. Put a little bit of this in there. Put this washer back on. And put our cover back on. I'll use the old screws, they're fine. Let's save the new ones. And there we have it. A 3/8 drive and a quarter-inch body from Icon. So that's pretty sweet. Take 2 screws out, change the head out, change the I don't know what this is called in the Ratchet, the anvil, and boom, you've got a 3/8 inch drive and a 1/4 inch body. So let's convert this other one. So we pull the 1/4 inch mechanism out. This new kit comes with everything else you're gonna need. Take our new 3/8. I'm gonna put a little grease on it. Stick it in here. Make sure the mechanism goes back and forth. It does. Take another little bit of grease. Put it on the inside. Take our washer, put it back on, and install the faceplate back on. Easy peasy. These kits from TEKTON are around, I think they were $9. And TEKTON, I bought 3. I bought 2 of these fixed and 1 quick release, hoping I could modify a quick release I had, but it doesn't work. So there you have it. There's the converted 3/8 drive small body ratchet. There is the original 1/4 inch ratchet. And what this works, there is, well, the mechanisms and these are different, so you can't use it on this one. This other 1/4 inch is a little thinner than the flex head. That's why this one can be converted. So, but we can compare it to, so here is a regular 3/8 inch drive flex head Icon ratchet. Here's a 3/8 small body Icon ratchet. Both 90 tooth. But see how much smaller this is? If you can pick up these Icon ratchets for cheap, if you can get them on sale or whatever, I do think it's a pretty good deal. Snatch these up. Paid $9 to TEKTON. From what I can tell, you have to order it straight from them online. I didn't see an Amazon link or anything. But 2 screws, just changing out the 1 piece, and that's it. One of the easiest things you can do, really. Comes with all the tools you need and everything. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time.